Have you seen my Level 5 AI automation video? It shows a CFO finance dashboard that updates itself every month. It incorporates a Google Sheet, AI-generated commentary, and a human approval step. Now, Level 5 dashboard is not just helpful for the finance team. In this video, I will show you 4 more use cases for people outside of finance where similar patterns get applied combining AI and automation to deliver insight with speed and accuracy. Here is the pattern that we will reapply. Data goes in, AI draft a commentary, human approve, and then a live dashboard get updated. This is sales pipeline dashboard that shows pipeline by stages, discovery, want, and also showing monthly forecast versus quota. And then at the bottom, there is a table outlining deals that require attention. Some is noted as high risk because it has been stalled for 27 days, 3 weeks of waiting for legal. All right, so that's really good. And then there is an AI opportunity analysis, an AI commentary that is auto-generated by AI summarizing the status. Really good. And currently, this dashboard is still waiting for sales VP approval. Now, the VP will get notified and then can either request changes or hit approve and publish. And when it's approved, look at that. The status is updated. This is project tracker dashboard that shows high level, what's the total budget, what has been spent, what's the variance, and how many projects are on track. Now, if you scroll down, you can see that there is project spend, actual versus budget for various projects, and then which projects are delayed. Look at that, nicely color-coded so that if they're behind, they're in red. And then there is project status, which one is on schedules, and some commentary that highlights risks of various projects. And right at the top, there is a summary. 3 projects are running over budget, totaling 180K of overspend due to vendor rate increases. Really nice summary. Similar as before, this is designed so that the PMO director get the opportunity to read and review the commentary before the dashboard get published and being sent out to wider audience. If the PMO is happy, it can click approve, and then notification gets sent out to everyone. The next dashboard is HR metrics dashboard showing headcount by department, turnover trends, as well as salary benchmarking, flagging risks, and also commentaries auto-generated. Similar to the other dashboard, there is a high-level summary right at the front, and the Chief People Officer approval status is also being highlighted in here. The Chief People Officer can request change or approve and publish. This is Customer Health Scorecard, where you can see NPS by segment, health scorecard trend over time, and then accounts that may be in need of attention, their segment, the NPS, health score, usage trend. When customers are not using your services, that's where churn risks are likely to be high. And AI is noting the risks and reasons. And then summarizing the comments over here that there are 3 enterprise customers showing early churn signals. Declining login frequency, reduced feature adoption, and lower support engagement over past 30 days. Really good. And the head of customer success approval is highlighted in here that it's not yet approved, it's waiting for approval, and when it's approved, it will look like this. 4 different teams, 4 different problems, all can benefit from Level 5 automation, applying one repeatable pattern. Data goes in, AI thinks and draft the commentary, a human review and approve it, and the insight gets shared automatically. No one manually pulling numbers or writing summaries every month. That's what Level 5 actually means. You only need to build it once and it keeps on working for you.